Hi, thank you for joining us today. My name is Connie Tran. I am the SNAP Education and Outreach Coordinator with the Division of Child and Family Wellbeing, Food and Nutrition Services section. And next to me is my colleague.
Hi, I'm Pat Moore, and I'm also in the Food Nutrition Services section, and I'm over the Quality Control Program.
So this is a project that is in collaboration with the North Carolina Emergency Management. We're here today to show you a couple recipes that we think would be great for Hurricane Preparedness Month. So the first recipe we're gonna show you is our
Peanut butter and banana wrap.
Great. So Pat, let's do the ingredients and we'll have it in front for everyone to see. And of course, you also have the recipe for reference as well.
Well, of course, we're going to start with the tortillas. Then we have the granola. Dried fruit, we have banana chips, and we also have
Dried cranberries.
And most importantly, peanut butter and our banana.
Yeah. So we can go ahead and start with, so Pat is actually going to do the roll-up version of this recipe, and I will do the fold. So there are other alternatives to peanut butter. If you are allergic to peanut butter or tree nut, we also have sunflower seed that is sun butter, and then also tahini and some almond butter. That's another option that you can use if you have an allergy to peanut butter. We have our tablespoons here, and I think it calls for one. Is that correct?
1 tablespoon of peanut butter.
So we'll go ahead and scoop. You can use a knife as well. Really, it's, if you love peanut butter, you can do more.
Absolutely.
there is no limit, right?
I did a little bit extra.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and I will do this as well. And really, there is no right or wrong way, but the best is probably just to spread, and that way we can line up our side of the tortilla, and then we can throw on the granola and the banana. Does not have to look perfect in any way. Okay. And then I will go ahead and actually start with the banana, and I'll share this with you, Pat. And again, there's no right way to cut this. I like to do a thin slices just because it's easier to fold or to wrap. So I will give you some, Pat, to line up. And so you want to go ahead and take your banana and line it up there. I'll do mine. So I got that lined up. And then we'll go ahead and throw some granola for a little crunch. There you go.
Oh, great, because you use your scoop.
And then
Perfect.
I will also do a little bit of crunch on myself. And then I like little dried cranberry, but you can also use raisins or anything else you like. This is really optional.
I love cranberries, they're sweet.
And we'll move this over. All right, you ready to roll yours?
I am going to attempt to roll now.
So
I tend to put a little much.
There you go.
I did it.
Right. So this is the fold over version.
And this is
And
the rolled
it
over.
looks like a little taco, and it's ready to
And we're
got
good to
your
go.
And that is